Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve square root x times square root x is equal to 5 square root 5, or taking a square to both sides we can write square root of x times square root of x whole square is equal to 5 times square root of 5 whole square. Or this square cancel out this square root, so it will remaining x root x is equal to 5 square is equal to 5 square root 5 square, or x times x square root is equal to 5 square times this square cancel out this square root, so it will remaining 5, or x times square root of x is equal to 5 square times 5 is equal to 5 cube. Now taking square to both sides, so we can write x of x square root whole square is equal to 5 cube whole square, or it will remaining x square times square root of x whole square is equal to, here we can write 5 square whole cube, or x square is equal to this square root and this square cancel out, so it will remaining x is equal to 5 square is equal to 25 whole cube, or square x square times x is equal to x cube is equal to 25 cube. Now taking cube root to both sides, we will have cube root of x cube is equal to cube root of 25 cube. This cube root cancel out cube and this cube root cancel out cube, so x is equal to 25. This is the value of x. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.